Last week, we showed how to navigate through the MAUD database in seconds to find specific examples of interest for training. This week, we'll compare these findings with peer-reviewed articles to design a unique and relevant medical training scenario. The next step involves sourcing data similar to MAUD statistics. But first, let's revisit MAUD. In our previous search, we were looking for characteristics related to over-tightening. Our example yielded over 6,000 incidents related to screw plus tighten, which provides a solid foundation for our training scenario. Now, equipped with this information, let's dive into the world of peer-reviewed data. First, our AI will conduct a search using the same terms, allowing us to pinpoint specific regions and analyze patient characteristics efficiently. This process is swift, as our AI performs the heavy lifting and comparisons for us. Can't recall what to search for or what's valuable in an article? Our AI-generated tags have you covered, matching color-coded categories and keywords to your needs. No need to worry about irrelevant results. Each tag corresponds to actual words within the article's full text. On the left side, each article is summarized by title and abstract when detected. Lastly, select the link to access the full text source. Now we know the event frequency, anatomy region, and details like patient age. In our next episode, we will discover metrics like angulation and impact force that could help us during our dry lab training. Until next time, keep advancing.